Hello and welcome to the demo of SyndRanker Ultimate. In this short video, I'm going to share with you how you can create backlinks on complete autopilot like this, like what you're going to see in just a few minutes, and how you can do so without actually being stuck to your computer, without having to do this manually. Basically, do this all completely on autopilot by just setting up campaigns in advance. So let's go into the SyndRanker Ultimate dashboard, and I will give you a walkthrough of everything inside this and show you how best to use it. There are two key ways in which you can create your social signals and backlinks, and those ways are using syndication and automation RSS. Now before I get into that, I'll show you what social accounts you can connect with, and in most cases it is as easy as one-click connect. Just go over to add account, and when you do, you will see an option to add multiple social media profiles and Web 2.0 properties that you can connect with. These include Bitly, Blogger, DeviantArt, Evernote, Facebook pages, Flickr, Imgur, Instagram, Instapaper, LinkedIn, MailChimp, Medium, OK.ru, Pinterest, Plurk, Pocket, Reddit, self-hosted WordPress site, Skyrock, Telegram channel, Tumblr, Twitter, as well as a WordPress platform. It is very simple for you to connect your accounts. For example, we'll try the Blogger one right now. Just click on add new, and let's just say Neil Blogger. Click on connect, and you can choose which account you wish to connect with, and that's going to connect it with Blogger. This way you don't have to store any logins or passwords with us. And once you have connected a few different social media accounts, you can also group them. Grouping allows you to, for example, have some campaigns specifically for yourself and some for your clients. Now let's go ahead into syndication mode, and this is where we will start syndicating our content to generate backlinks and social signals. You start by creating a new campaign, then you start by giving it a campaign name. So if, say for example, I wanted to build links back to the SyndRanker website, so I'll just call it SyndRanker website, and I can choose groups. In this case I have a couple of them, so I'm just going to choose this one, and I want to either publish the content instantly or schedule it for the future, so I'm just going to leave it at schedule. Scheduling is nice because it allows you to build links over the long term. Go into blog editor, you can put in the title, tags and content. So for example, the title could be something like why SyndRanker is the best at building backlinks. Tag could be backlinks, and some content as well. There we go. You can preview it, then you can also put in something. So the bookmark editor, social editor, image editor, fill this in as much as you can. It will only take a few minutes. Once you do that, you come in and select where you want this to be posted. So for example, I'm going to post it on Neil Twitter, Luke Ivio, this channel. This is for Pinterest, of course. I'll pick this one as well, and this one, and this one for this particular campaign. You can also search by groups and do other things here as you want. Let's go ahead and click next. Now you can choose when you want this content to be published. Do you want it to be published immediately? So let's say I could stagger this, so I could do this one day at a time, and also you can change it by the hours. Once it's done, click on save, and that's it. Your syndication campaign has been created. Here you can pause and edit your campaign. You can also delete it, and you can also download your campaign if you want to look at it later. The second method of syndication is using Rss Feeds. Now Rss Feeds are more automated. Say for example, you are publishing videos on YouTube or posts on fan page or blog posts. You can turn them into an RSS feed. We cover that in the training. And as soon as you publish a new post, a new video, a new fan page post, you can automatically come in here, set up a campaign beforehand, and that feed gets picked up and it gets syndicated to multiple channels as you want. In fact, this is the exact thing that we've been doing here to build a lot of syndication posts. As you can see right over here, if I go into reports, you will see some of the posts that have already been published over the last few days. So creating a new campaign is really simple. Just come in, put in a campaign name, put in the feed URL. We covered this in training to show you how to create these feed URLs for the content that you are already publishing. Choose a group. In this case, I'll choose this one again, and you can either do instant or scheduling as well. Let's click on next. Then you're going to pick some of the channels again. These are social media channels as well as Web 2.0 properties. Once you're happy with that, click on save, and this campaign gets created for you automatically. There we go. This is the simplest way for you to start creating your content. Once a report is available once the links get published. You can go into reports and you can check out what links actually got published. Reports will become available once it has actually been published. You can always go back into my campaigns and check out what has been scheduled as well. So that's it. As you can see, SyndRanker is a very comprehensive, very powerful tool. Our customers are already using this to create a ton of backlinks for their own business, a ton of social media signals for their business as well, and they are getting a really good use out of it as well. And I hope you do too.